Are you wondering which music production software is better? Today, we'll compare FL Studio and Logic Pro X. Both tools help you create music. They offer features for recording, editing, and mixing, but they have different styles and workflows. Let's start with FL Studio. This software is known for its easy to use interface. It's great for beginners and experienced producers alike. You can create beats quickly with its step sequencer. Plus, it has a wide range of plugins and sounds. Many electronic music artists love it. Now, let's look at Logic Pro X. This software is exclusive to Mac users. Logic Pro X offers a more traditional approach to music production. It has powerful tools for recording live instruments and vocals. Its MIDI capabilities are also top notch. Many musicians prefer it for its depth and versatility. So, what are the key differences? FL Studio is often seen as more user friendly, especially for beat making. Logic Pro X, on the other hand, is better for detailed projects and live recordings. When it comes to features, FL Studio shines with its loop based workflow. It's perfect for electronic genres. Logic Pro X excels in audio editing and has a larger selection of virtual instruments. If you need high quality sounds, Logic has you covered. In terms of pricing, FL Studio offers a one time purchase with free updates. Logic Pro X also has a one time fee, but it includes many built in features right from the start. So, which one should you choose? If you are into electronic music and want something straightforward, go for FL Studio. But if you want a more comprehensive tool for all types of music, Logic Pro X is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.